Hi sweeties, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be my morning routine. Yay! I'm gonna try to keep it as real as possible. This is my routine on a casual day when I have uni or work or both, depending what day of the week it is. So please don't be expecting anything too glamorous. So basically every morning I put lots of alarms on because I find it really hard to get up. But still, it doesn't always work because when I'm sleepy, I keep turning all the alarms off and going back to sleep without realizing. It's terrible. But eventually I wake up and start my day. But before I do that, please subscribe because I post new videos 3 times a week, and give us a thumbs up because it really helps the channel. The first thing I do in the morning before I even get out of bed is check my phone to see if I have any messages and to check my channel, see how my latest video is doing and see how many subscribers I have. The day I filmed this, for example, I had 69,000 subscribers and I thought that was so funny. I know, I'm the only one that found it funny, but anyway. Then I have breakfast in bed because I'm a diva and I deserve it. I don't always have fruit in the morning, but the day I filmed this, I happened to have these grapes, so I was like, yes, I love grapes and strawberries and zero Coke. I love having tea in the morning, but sometimes I get too lazy to boil the kettle. Oh, that's terrible. And I end up just drinking some zero Coke. I know, so healthy. And I'm also gonna have some of these breakfast biscuits because just grapes are not enough for me. So they're nice, they're just like plain biscuits, but I like them. Then I finally get up and put on my nice pink fluffy slippers that I love so much and are so comfortable, and then I go to the bathroom and I brush my teeth and wash my face. I'm not gonna film all that because even YouTubers deserve some privacy. But basically I use this really nice face wash called Renew something something. I don't even know my products. Then I go back to the bedroom and have some more zero Coke. Not sponsored. Oh my gosh, I wish f***ing Coca-Cola would sponsor me. I'd be rich. Then I brush my hair very gently, as you can see. And then I know I always remove my makeup at night before I go to bed, but I find that in the morning there's always a little bit of mascara left somewhere, so I just remove that with these eye makeup remover wipes, which I don't like. I'm just using them up until they're finished because I don't want to waste anything, but they smell really weird. It's really weird, so I'm not gonna be buying that again. And then I would usually apply some face cream, but I'm gonna be honest, I ran out of face cream because I had this really awesome one that my mom gave me last time I went to Brazil, but that was in December, so I ran out and I've been using this hand cream on my face. And to be honest, it has been working really well, and the packaging is cute and has a panda on it, so I don't have any complaints. I also like to apply some lip balm because my lips are quite dry, and at the moment I'm using this Nivea one, which is very good and it's pink. So I'm happy with that. Then it's time to do my makeup, and I really like doing that while I watch YouTube videos. I have been really into Jeffree Star lately, and it's especially cool to watch his videos while I do my makeup because he's amazing at makeup, so it's very nice and inspiring. So I start applying some concealer under my eyes because I have some really bad dark circles. By the way, this is gonna be a very simple, I can't be bothered makeup look. This is literally when I'm going to uni and I don't have enough time, and I just put like the basics on. So I'm blending that in with a beauty blender like a good YouTuber, having some more Coke, and then I'm gonna apply some foundation powder on my face because I don't want to look sticky and sweaty. So I'm just removing the excess with the fan brush. And now I'm doing some very basic contouring with an angled brush. I will blend that in with my hands as well in a minute because I know it's looking rough at the moment. Oh my goodness. Then I'm gonna get a smaller brush and the same darker foundation powder that I use for the contouring, and I'm gonna apply it on the crease of my eye just so I don't feel so guilty for not wearing any eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna apply as much mascara as I can, so hopefully that's gonna save me. Or if that doesn't help, I really like applying dark and bold lipsticks when I don't have a lot of eye makeup, because I think that's a nice contrast and it kind of makes it look like you put some effort on your makeup even when you haven't. So I'm wearing this purple lipstick by Lime Crime. So this is the finished look, but I'm obviously still wearing pajamas, so I need to go choose an outfit and pack up my bag for uni and all that. But before that, I will spray some perfume on. The day I filmed this, I chose to wear red jeans by Versace, but I always change between my three favorite perfumes, which are this one and Bright Crystal, also by Versace, and Light Blue by Dolce & Gabbana, which is actually my favorite perfume ever. So what I bring really depends on which day of the week it is, but I usually always have my laptop in case I need to do some editing or anything, and my Hello Kitty pencil case if I'm going to uni and need to write stuff down. And I usually always have some books depending which lecture I have that day. This one, for example, is a singing book for when I have my singing lessons or for when I rehearse, so there's just lots of music in it. Yay! And this is a typical outfit I wear when I can't be bothered. And it's literally just black jeans and a black t-shirt. I have like lots of black jeans and black t-shirts, so I really don't need to think about what goes with what because it's all black. So I'm wearing this lovely t-shirt that has this cat yin and yang. Isn't that cute? I'm also wearing these very basic ankle boots and my tattoo choker, of course, because I just love tattoo chokers so much. It's time to go, so I'm gonna put my scarf and my coat on. I know it's spring, but it's still quite cold in England. Well, at least I think it's cold. I'm from Brazil and I'm always freezing. So this is how I look like when I'm about to go out, and this was my morning routine. I hope you liked it. If you want, please go follow me on my social media. Thank you so much for watching and have a very, very lovely day. Mwah.